GioVentures. Today we're here at Hollywood Studios in Disney World. Let's check this out. And the new Mickey's Runaway Railway. Let's do this. Woo!
GioVentures.
Hey guys, we're gonna ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Let's do this.
We have a little change of plans. In our last screening, as Mickey and Minnie drove off to the park to enjoy their perfect picnic,
Engineer Goofy here. For your safety on board the train, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train car at all times. Be sure to stay in your seats and keep a watchful eye on your little railroad runners. Okay? Thanks. nothing's gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew so hard that we would finally make it. We've had one crazy ride. Now with you by my side, the stars will be on guide. Nothing can stop us now. The stars will be on guide. Nothing can stop us.
Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up.
Hey guys, if you're in Hollywood Studios, this is one of the rides that you don't want to miss. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
So what do you think, Mommy? What do you
I
think
thought
of
it
the
was
ride?
amazing. It's a lot shorter than the old one.
Slinky Dog Dash.
Hang on.
Welcome to Slinky Dog Dash. I'm Slinky Dog. Now, for your safety, remember to stay seated with all your parts and pieces, hands, arms, feet, legs, springs, and all inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toys.
Mommy! What do you think, Gio?
Hey guys, what do you think of Hollywood Studios? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. See ya. Nothing can stop us now.